Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's quickly see what Bitcoin is doing and hope you guys are doing well. So like I told you in my previous video where Bitcoin was forming this kind of upwards rising wedge, okay? And you can see we have clearly found some resistance at this area which sits at 38,340, okay? A little bit above, but yeah, this is where it's getting some resistance, okay? You could also build a case where, we were having this support level from here and we recently broke out of it, but we haven't seen, like a big dump yet because it is finding some support at this level, okay? But you can see clearly where it's trying to form this kind of pattern, okay? You could call it a bearish double bottom, or you could also look at it as a bearish head and shoulder pattern where this can be the resistance support level, okay? And it's coming right over here. It's going to hit right at this level, okay? If it does come to the downside, which I feel it might just come, okay? If it breaks this level, then expect it to go all the way up to this resistance line, which sits at 41,290, okay? But that only if it breaks this support level, okay? Right over here, resistance level, okay? So keep an eye on this. And like I told you, this is a very important area where Bitcoin is just, um, consolidating and moving up and down. If you go to the volume, you can see in the volume bar, the volume is decreasing, okay? But there is a lot of accumulation volume that's coming in. So that is a good sign. You can see the volume is picking up, but we want to see more green candles come in this area. But overall, if you just look at the daily time frame, and you kind of, just zoom in, you can clearly see, look at this, okay? Rejection from the 20 moving average. Over here, rejection from the 55 moving average, rejection from the 20 moving average. Now the 20 moving average is coming very close to the price action, okay? So either if it's going to come and hit it at 39,392, where that's where it sits at, and slowly you will see the volume coming to the price, okay? And you will see a major major movement either to the downside or to the upside, okay? If you break the 20 moving average, that's going to be a great sign, or go a little bit above, okay? At the moment, you can see if you just take this off and take this off, you can see it is creating this bearish pattern in the daily. Look at this. So this is a rising wedge formation, and usually the price breaks and comes to the downside where the wedge was created, okay? So keep an eye on this. I mean, it is trying to break it. If you go to the 4-hourly time frame, you can see that, I mean, 4-hourly, you could just move it a little bit below, like that. But in the daily time frame, where it has wicked down and, try to hold support. But if it breaks this in the daily, the price is going to come down and hit this level, okay? So now, if you go to the weekly time frame, actually, let's go to the daily time frame and hide the EMAs. Look, I'm going to show you something really important, okay? So you can see in the daily time frame, we had this pattern, okay, a bearish head and shoulder pattern. As soon as you can see the price broke out, we went to the downside. The reason we held this support level at 34,967 is because we had a lot of accumulation done in this area, okay? And it got some support from this level, okay? You can see right over here, okay? The price wicked down, came right back up. But the technical target for this bearish pattern is actually right over here. You can see exactly it's hitting to the lows of the price action. So it hasn't hit that price target yet. That is the technical target for this downwards movement. And you can also see very clearly, if you take a look at this, you bring this right over here, okay? You can see this is your rejection area. Okay, let's just do it a little bit accurately. This is your rejection area. So as soon as you see Bitcoin break this resistance level, then you can say that you have created a reversal wave and you have gotten out of this pattern. You could also draw a little bit of a support line for yourself right over here. Okay, and you can clearly see Bitcoin is just in this downwards channel. Okay, now if you come to your RSI, okay, this can be another indicator where the momentum has shifted. Okay, right over here, if you take a look at this over here, you can see when we were going up over here, the price broke down. Okay, and we were looking for a reversal pattern. As soon as you can see in the RSI, it broke right over here. Okay, you can see we have shifted the momentum to the upside. Even if you come over here, okay, right over here, you can see, let me just mark it for you. The momentum shifted to the upside. In the RSI, you had this breakout in the RSI and the momentum shifted, okay? Now you could come and draw this line over here, right over here, actually. As soon as you break this resistance in the RSI, you will see a momentum shift in Bitcoin price action towards the upside. Okay, so this is your huge indicator. Keep an eye on this as well. Okay, it hasn't come in yet, but I feel that it is very close to a reversal. It might just come down and hit these lows where the price target is. Okay, right over here, or maybe a little bit above, because a lot of accumulation will be done if it does come to these levels. This can be the accumulation zone, exactly like over here. Okay, so this is an area to look out for. So let's hide that, take this off, but just keep an eye on this level, because I feel that Bitcoin can break this to the downside, because as much as I want it to be a ascending triangle, it is just it's just not looking like one. Okay, I mean, it did make some bullish patterns over here. Okay, like over here. Okay, we can consider this as a inverse head and shoulder, like a small one, but it never broke to the upside. Okay, this was the technical target. You can see if it wouldn't broke it out, that's the technical target. Even if it breaks out wherever you do that breakout, you could also measure that from here. Okay, and you can see it is the exact same target. So wherever you get this breakout from, expect the price to come to those levels. Okay, wherever this breakout is going to be. Okay, if it breaks out the support, come down, and right over here at 34,428, might just come and touch these levels, the support level over here in this channel actually. Okay, but yeah guys, this is it for Bitcoin. At the moment it's just doing its thing, like consolidating and kind of making like a bearish patterns. If it does break to the upside, expect it to break this resistance in the RSI as well. Okay, so keep an eye on this. This is your biggest indicator, because right over here we had this resistance, it broke out, went towards the upside, and you can see it broke the 20 moving average, then the 55, then the 100 moving average. Over here, same thing. Okay, same thing happened. It broke the resistance in the RSI. That was your indicator. In the daily time frame, it has to close a green candle above a bullish green candle. Okay, that's your indicator. Okay, and same goes over here. Whenever you see that breakout, that's going to be an indicator. Okay, guys, this is it for today. Hopefully this brought you some new information. If you like this kind of content, kindly give me a like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions. Thank you so much, and have a good day. Bye bye.